one of the biggest hits on TV now is
Oh.
historical, no? Maria
Oh,
Clara
yes.
at Ibarra, no? Based on the Jose Rizal novels, Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, which I think many students will agree are difficult novels to read, no? And
Yes.
understand, no? And
I
many
had
people...
difficulty too.
Yeah, lahat tayo. Okay, aminin na natin, no? Mahirap intindihin. Pero kaya medyo risky din itong ginawa ng network namin, ano, na
Right.
gawing prime time fantaserye. I say fantaserye kasi may time travel 'yan, no? Yung
Right.
Gen Z character na si Clay bumalik sa 1880s at binangga yung mga worldview, mga conservative values ng mga kalalakihan noon, yung mga praile, yung mga even yung mga kababaihan no, yung kanyang feminista attitude, yung kanyang pagkaangas, no? Dala niya sa 1880s, no? Well, one, just your quick take on that. I don't know if you've been following it, no? But
It is. I watch it.
yeah. Oh, okay, good. Well, kasi ito in-interview ko yung director, no? And I told him, why, this is fiction. Sabi mo, this is a fantaserye. So why are you trying to pay close attention to historical detail, no? Kasi may consultant pa sila, there may pinag-uusapan na
Right.
hindi kailangan maging accurate yung mga detalye, yung damit, yung mga buildings, etc., no? Do you think that's important as a historian?
Oh, yeah.
Dahil
Yes.
this is just entertainment, di ba? I mean,
No.
it's fiction. Even the novels are fiction.
It is important up to a certain level only. Okay. I hate people who nitpick the show for showing little details na parang from a later period. Sabi ko, come on, get a life. Okay, get a life. But in a way, to have most details correct in a setting of a film, kasi you cannot, again, I only realized this when I became consultant. I only realized it. Noong unang panahon, alam niyo yung Marilu Diaz Abaya film, I was in high school.
Jose
I
Rizal.
had a long list of inaccuracies. Okay? Long list. I was high school. I thought that you can recreate the past in a film, especially if you have a budget. Now, when I became a consultant for Katipunan and Ilustrado, doon ko na-realize you cannot recreate the past totally. You only have to have a certain level of believability. No? Ibig sabihin ng believability that when I watch your film, despite that, if there are little things, forget it. But at least the setting will at least make you suspend your belief that you are watching a show. Na may time na hindi na yung setting ang mahalaga. The setting helps you to focus on the characters, and then eventually the character's plight will be your plight now. Alam mo, dito ako masaya sa Maria Clara at Ibarra eh. Ito yung pinakamasayang experience ko. There was a plan to have another Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo rendition by someone else. Okay? Someone talked to me already. Some people talked to me already. But I had an inkling. Hindi ako mapakali. No? Kasi gagawin sana ang consultant. What is the difference? Because the Noli was already portrayed by the CCP very brilliantly in 1991. Of course, when you do it in another take, what is that take, number one? Diba? So, if you do it again, the same thing, iibahin mo lang yung parang, what's the point? Diba? What's the point? Now, nung pinapanood ko tong Maria Clara at Ibarra, we all know, I know already the Noli Me Tangere. But I still enjoy it. Why? Kasi, mayroon kang pinadalang tao from the present. Tapos wala siyang ginawa kundi magsabi ng modern words, kung ano-ano. Yung modern context, dinadala niya sa novel. Tapos bigla, yun nga, nilalabanan niya tong mga to, naging struggle siya. Parang alam mo yun, parang si Clay, naging tayo. When we struggle to understand the Noli and the El Fili, that's the struggle that she's having also. Trying to understand it. And then, ang nangyayari, by trying to struggle, bakit ganun silang mag-isip, bigla niyang naiintindihan. Tapos tayo naiintindihan natin. Of course, we have read Sisas finding of the kids. We all know this. Pero bigla, dahil may context si Clay na binubugbog yung nanay niya, mapangapi yung, eto yun, nangyayari pa rin ngayon. So, alam mo yung nung unang binasa ng mga katipon, o ni Andres Bonifacio, yung No Limit Tangere, tapos galit na galit sila doon sa mga karakter kasi first time na pumapasok sa kanila yon at yun yung nangyayari sa kanila. Bigla, na-realize ko while watching Maria Clara at Ibarra, that's the same feeling that they had. But because Clay was putting the present lens to Noli and Elfili, that's why we are able to understand now finally Sisa or Maria Clara or even Ibarra. So kaya yun yung maganda doon, na si Clay yung mata natin, si Clay yung puso natin doon. And Clay has become us. And that's why we can relate to everyone now.